Hello, Venu this side. In this video, you are getting these type of errors. What is that? Especially could not see the object, this tuple index out of this. What is this meaning? Usually, if you are getting these type of issues, first, please check what is the Python version you are using. Python 3.11 you are using. That is biggest drawback. I don't recommend Python 3.3.x. My recommendation, always use Python Python version 3.8 only. Otherwise, my recommendation, there is a Anaconda. Okay, please follow only my instructions. In this Anaconda, create n/38 Python is equal to 3.8. Please execute this command. At the time, what happened? Already this is exist. That means you have this. Okay, where is this located? It is in big data folder. So my recommendation, go to setting. Here clearly mention Python 3.11 you are using. This is 200% not recommendable version. At that time, what is the best approach? Here, click this interpreter, add this local interpreter, go to this Conda environment. Then, where is your Anaconda installed? I think this Anaconda installed within the big data folder, within the Anaconda folder, within the environment variable. In this environment variable, you have this version Anaconda 3.8. In that 3.8, I recommend use Python, this one. If you are using this, what happened? Automatically, it is created Python 3.8 version only. This is a highly recommendable version. Okay. Conda executable. Oh, here instead of Python, my recommendation, use somewhere Conda environment. Use Conda environment. That is only highly recommendable. Why? This is 95%. If you are using wrong Python versions, mostly you will get that error. Okay, just a minute. Otherwise, wait. I think this is also you are not installing these Conda properly. I think that is also one reason. Okay. I think Conda it's not showing. That means Conda also you haven't installed properly. That is one reason. Usually. Otherwise, I have alternative also. Wait. Main problem, this Python version problem. Okay. Click this. Instead of this, click this plus symbol. I think Conda you haven't installed properly. That is the reason. It is showing. Conda also properly not installed. Otherwise, alternative approach, wait. Alternative approach. Okay. Use Python 3.8 only. This is a highly recommendable version. If you install this 3.8, earlier it is 3.11 it is showing. Okay, this is called compatibility error. This is Python 3.11 you are using. Just wait few seconds, it is uploading. Okay, just it will take few seconds. If it is uploading completed, then please run this problem solved. Usually compatibility it is error, one of the biggest main challenging task in real-time environment. Okay, so always this version highly recommendable. If you are using Spark 3.1.2 and Hadoop 3.2.2 and Java 11th version, any version is fine, 11, Java 11 and Python 3.8 highly recommendable. If you are using latest version, either 3.11, 3.10, 3.9, otherwise 2.7, these type of old versions or latest version, if you are using 100%, you will get same error. What is this error? Earlier you got it. This serialization error you got it. Okay. So now if you run this, just you are not changing any code. You are changing your Python version. Now please check, this is Python 3.8. Now try. First time you are running, no, so it will take little time, wait. So if you are getting this type of serialization issue, 95% mostly version issues. Please check now, same data you got it. That means before, if this is always use this version only, Python 3. Python 3.8 and Spark this version only. Of course, if you are using latest version 3.3, at that time also sometimes creating problem. But most of the cases, please check these Python issues. That is the main reason. Okay. So if you have any doubts, please comment below. I will try my level best to explain. Okay. That's it. For more updates, please follow this YouTube channel. Okay. Thank you. Thank you very much.